Whaalofa leia, tuki tau tolu osi. How are you? 2 days ago, I released a single from my upcoming album, Langakari. It was in the use of promoting Niue language. Whahi tapu wangahau Niue. We posted up a lyric video as well for educational purposes, so it could be used as a resource for the schools and the communities to push and encourage our young people into using wangahau Niue. I have to say thank you so much to everybody who has already emailed and asked for their own personal copy of the song, and I'm really grateful, very, very grateful. And the thing is that I know this is what I know, is that I love my culture, I love the language also, and I love the people. So man, I have a massive favour, and that is this. After visiting Niue in April earlier this year, I went to the Niue primary school, and it made me feel a little bit sad. So if you could please just quickly donate $5 or more to the Creative Souls Project to be able to help buy school resources for our kids in the Pacific Islands, to help with resourcing with books, pencils, music equipment, just for our little ones to have a beginning start, happy start in doing new things and learning. My single Langakari is now available for you all for free. Please, from my heart, man, that's right, for free. So go to SoundCloud, check out MLxx Productions, look up Langakari, the official full track download, and the details are there for where you can make these donations with the bank account details. Also, can you visit www.thecreativesoulsproject.com, send me any feedback, any context for anything that you see on that web page. I'd really appreciate it. Koe nea, free download. Manuina e whahi tapu, wangahau Niue, Fakaaue lahi mai manuina.